Good morning, class 5. Today we have to study new chapter, that is fraction. You have read about something fractions in class 4, but we have to understand in details about fractions. So take a look at this. Chapter is fraction and types of fraction. This is our topic. First of all, we have to define fraction. Students, we can define the fractions as a part of a whole is called a fraction, or the number in the form of a by b, that is numerator and denominator, where a and b are natural numbers, are called fractions. It means the number in the form of numerator by denominator, where numerator and denominators are natural numbers. For example, 5 by 7. Here 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator, and both are natural numbers. 8 by 9 is also a fraction, 5 by 3 is also a fraction, and 2 by 7 is also a fraction. 0 is not a fraction because 0 is a whole number. 0 by 7 is also not a fraction. 9 by 0 never be a fraction. 5 by 0 never be a fraction. Okay, these forms of numbers are not a fraction. Here you can see by diagram, this is whole thing and this is the part of a whole, the shaded region. The shaded part is 1 and out of 4, so denominator is 4. That is, this fraction is represented as 1 by 4. Here you can see this is whole 1, and this type of 1 is also divided into 4 parts, and 3 parts are shaded. So how many parts are shaded? So 3 by 4 parts is here and 1 part is here. So 1 whole 3 by 4 part is shaded here. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. 1 part is shaded, but unshaded part is 2 and half. 2 and half part is unshaded here. This is the diagrammatically representation. Now we have to talk about types of fractions. First, equivalent fractions. Fractions which express the same value of fraction are called equivalent fraction. For example, 3 by 4 is a fraction, and you can see here 6 by 8 is also a fraction, but both are same. 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8. If you multiply 3 by 4, numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 6 and 8. Again 9 by 12 is in the similar way. 3 3 ja 9, 4 3 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. These are equivalent fractions. How can we write equivalent fractions of a given fraction? Suppose you have to write the 5 equivalent fractions of 13 by 15. How can you write? You have to write first 13 by 15, the original number. If you multiply it by 2, numerator and denominator, you will get 36 by 20. This is the equivalent fraction of this. When you multiply by 3 in both numerator and denominator, you will get 39 by 45. This is also equivalent fraction of 13 by 15. If you multiply it by 4, then you will get 52 by 60. This is also the equivalent fraction of this number. Here you are going to multiply by 5, then you will get 65 by 70. Multiplied by 6, you will get 78 by 90. These are 5 equivalent fractions of 13 by 15. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 64 by 256. Here you can see 64 by 256 is the number, and I am going to divide numerator and denominator by 2. You will get 32 by 128. It means if you can you can divide also by the same number to get an equivalent fraction. 64 by 256 divided by 4, then you will get 16 by 64. Here it is divided by 8, you will get 8 by 32. Divided by 16, you will get 4 by 16. Divided by 32, you will get 2 by 8. These are also the equivalent fractions by getting by division, and the previous one is by multiplication. It means if you have to find out the equivalent fraction of a given fraction, you can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, or you can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. You will get the equivalent fractions. Now, for the proper fraction, fractions whose numerators are smaller than denominators are called proper fractions. For example, 4 by 7, 1 by 5, 9 by 11, 7 by 13. Here you can see in all these fractions the numerator is less than the denominator. So these are proper fractions. Now, improper fractions. Fractions whose numerators are greater than denominators are called improper fractions. Here you can see 3 by 2, 11 by 3, 9 by 7, 24 by 7. In all these fractions you can see the numerator is greater than the denominator. So these are improper fractions. Like fractions. Fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 3 by 2. Here in all these fractions the numerators are same, that is 2. So these are like fractions. And here unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Here you can see 3 by 7, 2 by 5, 9 by 8, 4 by 15. In all these numbers you can see the denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions. Now, unit fraction. Fractions whose numerators are equal to 1 are called unit fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 16. In all these fractions you can see the numerator is 1. So these are called unit fractions. So my dear students, I think you understand the types of fractions today. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.